na. Ande kani. Mag-grocery daw kami. Bara. Hey, computer po. You buy computer? Keyboard. Uy. Mga appliances ready. You buy? A lot. You can show your home. Oh my god. Samsung TV. Very big. TV. Samsung. Very big. Mayo po? Manon 3 million? 3 million. 2 million. This one price. So you book. Laki naman ng TV. Ay, very big. Pang sini. Samsung TV. Ay, may ibang lahi lang sa corner. May baby Tony. Print. Printing. Print. But very expensive. You buy. You also. You buy? Ibang lahat yun. Sawak ko rin. Ito, mga aircon na ito. Oh my god, LG TV. Very expensive. Peso but very cheap. Diba? Peso is 48,000? 48,000? Very cheap. 48,000 pesos? No, what do you want to go? You buy washing? You buy? What is this? Washing also. Laki naman. Bibili ka? Bibili na kayo dyan. Daming wine. Ito na yung mga tinapay. Tinapay is G1. Ito mga tinapay. car. Ang kawali. Mga chocolate. Ito ang grocery sa Korea. Down na, boss? Why? Airplane? You buy po sometime you need. Upstairs? Upstairs, down. Down na. Why you always sticky po? Pababa na kami. Magbabayad na kami. Punta na kami sa cashier. Grocery. Ikaw na. 너네.